Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. I'm going to be playing around with the Eyescream beauty box for the month of December. This box is so good this month. I cannot wait to play around with all of the products. So the star of the show, we got the Chantico Beauty Hearth Palette, and I mean, she is gorgeous. I absolutely love the color story in here. The packaging is so cute as well. Next up, we got this little 4 mini pack, and girl, when she said mini, she was not kidding. That is like a mini lipstick. They're like so small. When I first seen them, I like literally started laughing so hard because I was like, wow, those are tiny. I mean, I was expecting mini, but not quite this mini. Still cool that we get to try like 4 different shades. I think I'm gonna try out that red shade today because it's just so pretty. Usually I don't go for reds, I go for more neutrals, but I figure we would switch it up today. We're just gonna create a little holiday look with this box. Next up, we got this highlighter from ZC. I love this packaging. The packaging is so cute on ZC stuff. I love how it's like all the holographic stuff, so cute. When you open it up, it's got a little angel on there, so cute. The only thing I'm worried about is I don't think it's gonna pack a huge punch. Like when I swatched it, it kind of blended into my skin tone really well that you can't really see it too good. So I'm hoping I can build it up on the cheek, but we'll see once we try it out. Because you know I love me some highlighters. But I like bow in your face highlighters, you know what I mean? Like something that's going to be popping on the cheek. I like bright highlighters personally. Next up, we got another product from ZC, which is the white liquid liner. Never tried a white liquid liner, so that should be interesting. And then we got 2 lip liners. We got a red one and we got kind of a nude one. Unfortunately, this red does not match the red lipsticks. It's actually a little bit lighter than the red lipsticks. And then we got a nude one, which this one will probably go with one of the lipsticks, but I'm not going to use this one today. I am going to try out the red one, but honestly, I'm probably going to end up using a darker red lip liner because I don't think this one's going to work with the lipsticks. So if you want to know any of the information about Eyescream, I'm going to have everything listed down in the description box. Also, I have a discount code with them. It saves you like 10% off your first subscription order if you're interested in signing up. But we're just going to go ahead and jump in, and I'm going to start off with the lip liner. And these are from Be Bella, which I really do like their lip liners. I just feel like this red is too light of a red. This lipstick's definitely way brighter. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go in with this Basic Beauty one. I'm not sure which subscription we got this from, Eyescream or Slay Glam, but one. And then I'm going to go on top of that with this red. Oh, that's so cute. Whenever I do a red lip, I like to have a darker liner. I don't like to have a liner that's like the same color because I like having that like more vampy red. So good though. That is such a pretty red. And then sometimes I like to go in with like a charcoal color and add. And whenever you add like charcoal in with the red, it just makes it look like a deeper red. But that is so cute. I really like this lipstick. Really pretty. Let's go ahead and use a little bit of this highlighter. It's not bad. It's more on your like natural side for sure. This is my 4th dip of applying it, so it's not like a real intense beaming highlight, but it will build up for you. Nice and smooth on the skin. Again, though, I am having to like go and dip back and forth in here. So I would say probably not my favorite highlighter, but it still does look really pretty on the skin once you build it up. I'm so excited to dive into this palette. I've only swatched it, but I think I'm going to start off with this shade right here, which is called Cocoa. And I'm going to put that in my crease and bring it up to the brow. This will be my transition color. Just want to do like a neutral look because I have a red lip, so we're not going to do a whole lot on the eyes. Just going to keep the eyes more neutral today. My mother-in-law would love this lipstick. She loves reds. I'm usually not a big fan of red, but when I seen that one, I was like, ooh, that looks like so perfect for Christmas time. And it really is like the perfect Christmas red. This formula is so nice from Chantico Beauty. And I just had my lids primed with a little bit of concealer. So pretty though. I'm thinking I might use that shade today, which is called Amber. That's like a really pretty, like, looks like it has different colors in it, but when you swatch it around, it's like a bronze color. So I think that would be really good because I still want to have like a little bit of shimmer on my lid. But I'm going to go into this brown shade over here, which is called Element, and I'm going to use that on the outer corner. I'm not quite sure how that white eyeliner is going to look with this look, but we'll see. I'm not sure how a white eyeliner is going to look in general on me, but I do like trying out different colored eyeliners. These brown shades are so pretty. And then I'm going to go into that amber shade, which this one is a duochrome. Now, I had forgotten, somebody reminded me that we did get a Chantico Beauty palette before. That was this palette right here. But this one doesn't have any duochromes in it. It just has like your mattes and shimmers, which this palette is a really nice formula. I do like it. I just honestly don't really reach for this one that often. Oh, yes. So good. I mean, that is a stunning shade. And I am going to go ahead and use the highlighter to highlight the brow bone. Just have to like get in here a few times and build it up. I wish this highlighter was a little bit brighter though. Going back in with my first brush and just blending out. That way we don't have any harsh lines. I mean, this eye look was like super simple to create. So cute though. I'm going to go in with a little bit of black eyeliner in the waterline. I'm also going to use the highlighter on the inner corner. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to use this shade first. Buff it under here. Then I'm going to go into that little bit darker shade. Just kind of buff that on the outer portion. I really like this look. I hope this white eyeliner doesn't mess it up. So I'm just going to go in and align the top. Just kind of push it and drag a little. And I guess I will make like a little wing with it. I feel like I'm not the greatest at making a wing. The white makes me nervous. I don't know how I feel about that. Honestly, not sure how I feel about the white, especially with this look. I feel like the white is cool if you're doing like more graphic liners or something. I'm not really feeling it on this look. I do want to get mascara put on and everything because sometimes, you know, you just have to trust the process. Sometimes it looks good once your makeup is completely done. But the goal is to make this side match this side, which can be hard to do. But it is going on pretty nicely. Try to make another wing. The wing is like the hardest thing to make. Did I get it? I kind of feel like I did okay, not bad. Okay, I'm not the greatest with eyeliner, but I don't feel like that's too bad. Do they look pretty even? I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm just gonna use a little bit of the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I feel like the liner is looking a little bit better with the mascara on. I feel like if you're into doing, like I said, graphic liner and like you can make this into like a snowflake or something, that would be cool. I feel like it definitely looks better with the mascara on. I mean, I feel like it doesn't look bad with the mascara on. I really like the red lipstick. Think it looks super cute. Overall, this box is really nice. The highlighter, you have to build it up quite a bit, but it will build up and it looks really smooth on the skin. If you like a nice natural highlight, this is going to be a good one for you to use. It's a really pretty champagne color. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. I think it is beautiful. That blue shade, so good. I was going to use that today and I was like, no, let's just do a nice little holiday look. These lip liners, they're nice. I like the Bella lip liners. We've gotten them in the past. I like that they're just your traditional sharpen. They don't tug on the lip. They are a creamy liner. Wish it was a little bit darker, but all in all, nice lip liners. I do like the white eyeliner. I think it looks cute. Like I said, I don't know if this is something that I'll use all the time, but every once in a while, it is really cute. And these are super mini, but you're getting 4 different shades to try, so that is nice. I do like that. I love Ofra's formula. They are really creamy, They do stay on your lips really nicely without feeling too drying. So I'm glad that we got 4 shades to try. But as always, girl, let me know, what did you think about this month's box? I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!